If AI can already build websites in seconds, do we even need full stack developer anymore? Today we are diving deep into AI versus developers, who wins, and what the future actually look like. Let's start with what AI can actually do right now. Tools like ChatGPT or Vercel V0 can instantly spin up front-end code in React, complete with styled components. Backend, no problem. You can ask AI to generate an Express.js API, hook it up with MongoDB, and even write your database models. On top of that, no-code platforms like Bubble or Webflow are making it possible to launch apps without touching code at all. But here's the catch. AI generated code look cool on the surface until it breaks. Debugging complex logic, AI struggles. Making big system architecture decisions that scales, that require real life experience. Security, AI might leave backdoor wide open if you don't know what you are doing. And let's be honest, AI isn't creative. It can't design a unique user experience or fully understand the messy business behind a product. That's where developer shines. A human full stack dev understands context, why we are building the app, who it's for, and the trade-offs. Developer collaborate with teams, think about long-term product visions, and make design decision AI just can't. Coding is only half the battle. Problem solving is the real deal. So what's the future? AI won't replace full stack developer. Instead, it will replace the boring part of our jobs. Think of AI as a co-pilot, handling boilerplate code, generating quick prototypes, and saving time. The best developer of the future won't compete with AI. They will know how to work with it. Less typing, more designing, more problem solving, more building things that actually matter. So no, AI won't replace developers. It will just change the way we work. The real question is, would you trust AI to build your next entire app? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is Tech by Dude, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious.